Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see how we can add multiple markers into a Google Map. I have already enabled Google Map for my Flutter project, so you have to do it by yourself. So let's start and let's see what is our output for the code I have already. This is the simple code that I have already written. You can see that we are having a container. Inside a container I am using Google Map, and you can see that we don't have anything enabled inside our Flutter web, inside our Google Map. Let's say we don't have any markers, so let's see after running what is the exact output that we are getting. So first of all, let's start the project. Okay, now our project is running, so wait for it. Okay, our project is running. See, we are having Google Map. Okay, so we don't have uh, any markers that are shown on the screen. You can clearly see. Okay, let's minimize it and let's zoom it as well. Okay, so let's create we have to create a uh, a list of markers. So here I have already initialized a list of marker. So, and after initializing the marker you can get markers from the server as well. So let's create some markers manually. So I've already created some of the markers. Here are the markers that I have already created for you guys. Okay, let's copy, and I've already created a method name initialize, and that is called in instead. So let's paste it. So these are the markers that is first marker, second marker, and third marker as well. So let's create a fourth marker so that we can see that what is happening there. Okay, so let's copy and paste it here, and we called it, now let's create it by ourselves. We called it as marker, fourth marker. Okay, and we have to create a marker by ourselves. Okay, so here is the ID that we need to assign it. That must be unique, but it's okay. We will, let's say we call it as, okay, so that we can differentiate it. And here is the ID first of all, and then you have to create position. So what position will take? It will take lateral long. So let's copy and paste lateral long from here. Okay, just give it to like 70 and call it as 92. Okay, so let's see. Okay, after that it has some other parameters as well. So we are having an info window. What info window does is, if you click on the on any marker, we are seeing the info window as well. So we can made any of the parameters. You can just call it as highs, hills. Okay, and here is the bitmap icon. So what bitmap icon is, that you can see the marker over there. So you can also made a custom marker as well, but you have to do some customization. So I'm using uh, the built-in marker. Okay, now we have created 4 markers. Okay, this is just like you have fetched the marker from the server. Okay, it's okay, but after that you have to assign these markers to our list that we have already created. Here are the markers list, so we called it as markers. Okay, so copy this list and paste markers dot add, and what we need to add, we have to add all of these. Okay, so we called it as marker dot add first marker. Okay, and then we have to add markers dot add second marker, and we have to copy it so that we can save our time. So this one is third marker and this one is fourth marker. Okay, after that we need to call set state. We are having two types of set states. I mean that you can just cut set state and paste it like this. It's okay, it's work fine, but if you will do set state like this, it's also work fine. Okay, so what we have to do here is we just have a parameter named as marker inside our Google Maps. Okay, so I have to do markers, that is the list that we have already used, dot map. Okay, so what it will take, it will give me a parameter dot e, so we have to set it. Okay, so that is it, that is it. So let's restart our, so here you can see that we are getting markers over there. So this is very simple. You can see if we'll click on it, so you can see that we are having a info window here. So you can always tab, you can do tab on info window as well. So see, we are getting name over there. Okay, see, this is just very simple, so you can see that. Okay, so let's add a fifth marker. Copy this and just add a fifth marker. So we'll just change it to 71. Okay, we are having 73, 76. Okay, 71, and just like this. Sorry, here just 90. Okay, take it. Okay, so see, so you can see that we are having only 4 markers. See, now, oh sorry, we haven't assigned it, so let's add it. Markers dot add marker. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So you will see that we are having a fifth marker added as well. So let's restart it, shift R. So you can see that we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is very simple. So you can see that we successfully add markers onto our Google map. So thank you guys, subscribe to my channel for further videos, and in the next video tutorial we will see how we can add polylines between these two parameters. So thank you.